welcome to the mix, lovelies and friends. And on the mix is Maxine. Now, Maxine is saying that her heart is not big enough to hold people in it. And that's what she had to say. She's saying that, there's only one person, basically, that she would have been, spoken about basically in social media, that would have been able to come out to her. But then other people joined in and came after her. She's saying that, she wanted, her audience to name one person, the person that, she came up for, except for Donna. So, guys, go ahead and go catch the video, hear what Maxine has to say and what she's referring to, and to get your clarification as well. And remember to like, share, comment, subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell so when I post, you know about it. For all my lovelies out there celebrating their wonderful birthdays today, happy, happy birthday. I wish you joy, love, peace, happiness, and prosperity throughout this year. And for all my other lovelies, my friends, my supporters, my followers, whatever you may call me, have yourselves a beautiful, beautiful day. And remember that sometimes in life we're drawn into situations that we do not want to be in. It's not for us to sit and worry about. Situations and things may present itself not only to stop us or not only as a blockage, but sometimes to show what others feel about us. And not only that, but to show, you know, what it is that they have against us. Sometimes it's not us, sometimes it's them, sometimes it's not them, sometimes it's us. But we have to understand that life goes on and things happen. People change, people walk in and out of our lives every single day. Now, if we take everything personal and we sit and lament on everything that happens in life, say for instance, people are bothering us or they're talking about us in such a way that we may feel bad about, we have to understand that people will always talk and they will say things that will hurt us to the core. Now, it's what we do with what they say that will affect us. If we continue to look on what they say and feel a certain type of way because of what was said about us, then it is our own feelings that is destroying us. Sometimes we have to step out of ego, step out of feeling, and try to navigate through life, not by the way people see you, but by the way we see ourselves. So understand that people will say whatever, but it's for you to look up and to look into things and channel your energy towards you. Don't spend your energy thinking or talking about what people say that is bad about you. Challenge your energy towards yourself and making yourself a better person each and every day. Now, guys, remember, people will always talk, and it's a matter of time that they talk about you too. But it's how you channel that energy and what you do with what they say about you that makes it matter. So have yourselves a wonderful, wonderful day. Keep your head up high, smile, and shine like the beautiful person you are. Have a great one now.
What me do them, why me and them in a argument. I am still waiting on that one person. If you cannot show me that one person, just keep on ask quiet. Cause me say a one person me come out here, what carry me out here, what me and them should in a war, and a 99. Everybody else pick you up, pan them head like a them baby. Some of them still the baby it until today. I am still waiting on that one person who me trouble in a social media. Alright, let me address this now. There is nothing There is nothing that 13 said or Lady V said that me not hear already. What me don't go back pan. Nah go back pan it. Me done address it. Me done cuss. Me done go along with myself. And me done. Me done. Because me, for me heart not big enough. My heart is not big enough to carry these people in my heart and carry them to my grave. It not worth it. It don't worth it. And yes, I'm a woman. And anybody come out here, whether woman, boy, girl, or pitney, come out here, come call me name, me I go address them. Yes, me have a right to address them. Whether me I go send them up under them mama, or them papa, or them sister, or them brother, I don't care. Because what me want to understand, it's okay if people come out here, come cuss your family, cuss your pitney them, and you just turn the other cheek, make them do it again. You just turn the other cheek and give to them. No, I not so it work. I not so it work. Me hear man was supposed to be man, was supposed to have bars under them and not pum pum. Oh, uno cuss woman too. Uno cuss woman too. If the woman them come out here come cuss and go along with we, why we not cuss them back? Why the reason why we not cuss them back? What is it any problem? Why we not cuss them back? Like oh then come out here come trouble me. What me must do? Turn the other cheek and give it to them? And not answer them at all? No, me I go answer. Like dirty nasty curly. Like dirty nasty curly where me no do nothing. Me no say nothing about this woman. Me no know nothing about this woman. But curly, take off the veil. Take off the veil and come out. Curly, you have a piece of veil there over you. Curly, you catch man like a dog from you a young girl till now you the catch man and you can't tap catch man. Cause every day you come out here and call me name, I don't care if one time you call me name, me they give you a back 10 different answer. And me not tap. Me not stop. You understand? You come out here and you call my name 10 times. Oh yes, me I'll give you 2 under your cloth. Yes, me I go give it to you. So if a woman they cuss woman, come out of the business. If you don't like it, you know, have nothing to do with you know. Curly trouble me, and me they go address Curly. Me no care what 13 when come out and say Lady V said this, me know what me chat on social media, and me know if anything Lady V up in her mouth and say anything, me know. Me no care, it pass and it gone. It pass and gone. It could not play 100 times more in a social media. I am done. I am not going back there so. Nah go back there. Me done. I don't give a fuck who want play hypocrite, parasite. I don't care. Because enough of the time you have to play hypocrite to get exactly what you wanted. You understand? When me come out here and them a do me bad like a dog, and me come out here they ball and they go along, nobody in the look. Nobody in the look. Nobody never care. So now that me I put people under manners, why do I care what nobody will have to say? All what Ashanti and him people them do, I sit down on everybody platform and they have something to talk. Me hear them over there this morning with me name, and then cuss me pitney and then cuss me grand pitney. I still bumbleclot news that by now. That are still fucking news. Uno not tired to have colic. Uno not tired to have colic. Uno no know so no name overnight food then name overnight food. So that's why you have bad stomach Ashanti. You name too much overnight food. You keep naming the food. All when it past 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 years, you still they go back over it. Me hear you they play something over there. You they play live. You they play live what gone 10 years ago. You they play live what gone 15 years ago. And you they combine live where you they chat right now. And you they go on with yourself. My God, I saw you brought down. I saw you pop down. Me never know say I saw you pop down. Me worried clad people they calling. They tell you how me over Lady V. They talk about say if anybody catch you, anybody see you. Yes, me put it right out your heart for me page. Me put it. Me say if anybody catch you, call me and make me know. Cause you are a fugitive. Yes, that's what me say. If you think say my son a fugitive and he went kill people at Jamaica and this and that, send the authority upon him. You know when they send the authority upon him. Because to how you they talk about my son or something, he should be in America. He should have never been in America. Every day uno get up on the same ras. Every day. People want to move on. They want to move on. We no care what they want to say. Me no care. I don't give a fuck what they want to say. I don't give nothing what Lady V said to 13. I don't give a fuck what 13 said to Lady V. In a them the time that we they cuss with one another. We are entitled to say any fucking thing what we want to say. I don't give one fuck. Some of it lie, some of it truth. No for it I want me talk on social media. I want to put 1 and 2 together. I want to say this one said that. I want to say that the one said that. Me know what true from one or true. Me know what happened from what never happened. So no matter how no build one mountain, me not climb up their ass. Me not climb up there. Me done with the climbing. None of uno not take me joy out of my body. None of uno. Not one of uno. Me come out here and me put out certain information. Because of me and JJ Walker and me voice note them when put out